Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I will be showing you how to make a movement script in 3D. So first, let's make a plane. So first click 3D object then cube, or make it a little faster, 3D object and then plane, a little faster. Then I'm gonna make it a little bigger. So first we need to grab the camera, and I'm gonna make a bean. I like beans. That's not a bean. Oopsies. Okay. I need a cylinder. Not really a bean, but whatever. So I'm gonna put. So first is to get any character thing you want, and then you put your character or the camera rather in there. Then I'm gonna name this player. Player cam, and put this inside the collider, and rename this the player. Next, I'm gonna make a script. First, you right click, create C#. I'm gonna call this player movement. After it loads, we're going to get on this, and we don't need to start, so then we do public care, wait, whoopsies, character controller, and then I'm gonna name it controller. Next, I'm going to make a public float for speed, so it tells you how fast the character goes. So I'm going to make it 12, a vector 3 velocity. Then I'm going to get a public float gravity. And then it's going to equal minus 9.82 F. And that's the gravity of Earth. So public float desired move speed equals 10. Next, I'm going to make a public bool is grounded grounded public transform ground check. Then I'm going to make a public float ground distance equals 0.4 F because it's a float. So public layer mask and then a ground mask. I want to call it that. And then public float jump height equals 2F. Now the last thing is going to be a public. Nope, never mind. Okay. So there we go. So in the update, we're going to go on update and put a lot of stuff. So first is grounded equals physics dot check fear ground check dot position ground check and then the ground mask. Whoops. And then boom. Okay. So I'm gonna do if is grounded and velocity is dot y is greater than 0 or greater is less than 0, velocity dot y equals negative 2f. So next we're a float x for movement and the input dot get axis is horizontal. There. Now copy this and then paste it to make this Z and make that vertical. Okay. There. Now, the next thing we're going to do is a vector 3 move equals transform dot right times x plus transform dot forward times z controller dot move is move times speed times time dot delta time, and we're going to do velocity dot y plus equals gravity, not ground track, gravity times time dot delta time controller dot move velocity times dot delta time. Now the last part is if input dot get button down is jump, we're going to, then it's and is grounded. We're going to do velocity dot y equals math dot square root and then jump height times -2 times gravity. And that should be it. Pretty simple. So now, if there's no errors at all, and there obviously is, so I'll cut back when. Okay, I figured out the problem. So the problem was that I accidentally forgot to put the I here and moved the I here and there. And I put ground check and not ground distance. So that fixed everything. So on player, now we can get back to it. Now player put this. So now we need a controller. So we put controller, character controller, drag it here, ground check. So we go here, and then we spell ground check. Then we drag it down and put it under him. And after that, we put ground check and ground mask. So first, we go to layer, add layer, ground. I'm going to put ground. And after that, we go here, select, no wait, sorry. So now we're going to select the ground mask. Wait. Okay. Okay, I think I fixed it. Here it is. Now, if we get in, and now we can walk. So next time, now I'm gonna do a moving, now like to move the camera. So I'll get back to you after I. Okay. So now if you right click, create C#. Now we're gonna put mouse look, call it whatever, but make sure there's a capital. And now, so after it loads, we're gonna go in the start and put cursor dot lock state. So it stays in one spot so it doesn't make it look weird. Then cursor equals cursor lock mode dot locked. Okay, so let's go up here and we're gonna do public float mouse sensitivity equals 100 F. Now public transform player body, like to know what the player's body is. Okay, so float x rotation equals 0F. Now in the update, we're gonna do float mouse x equals input dot get access mouse x times mouse sensitivity times time dot delta time. Next, we're going to do the exact same thing, but it's mouse Y. So we both have mouse X and Y ready. Okay. Now we're going to do X rotation minus equals mouse Y. And then X rotation equals math dot clamp the X rotation, and then both of them equals 90 minus 90 and 90. Okay, there we go. And then transform dot local rotation equals QUATERNION dot Euler, and then X rotation, and then comma equals or whatever 0F, and then 0F. There we go. And then player body dot rotate vector 3 dot up times mouse X. Okay, that's all. So now so there we go. Okay, so let me fix all the errors, just one. So I might as well do it right now. So I misspelled this, so that's my fault. So it is EULER. I should fix it. And now, if we go on project, player, put player mouse, just drag it in, then we put then we drag the player in here, and now voila! And now we can look around and put sensitivity how we like it. So one thing I forgot to do is put a rigid body. So let me add a rigid body and go constant and put Y and just Y. So now, for some reason, left and right isn't working. Okay, so I fixed the problem, and I accidentally put the script in player, but it's supposed to be on the camera. And then you drag the player into there. So I guess that's it. So I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked and subscribed and hit the notification bell to never miss another video. Bye!